have experimented with so many things. We keep experimenting. I've been in Mother Dairy itself for 15 years now. And over this 15 years itself, we have tried so many different ways and so many different methodologies to try and get ahead of the curve, to do things. I think to be where Steve Jobs kind of reached of knowing what the customer does not even know that he wants, kind of thing, which is what I think all of us aspire to. But the problem is, I mean, if you look at it, we have experimented, we have heard about design thinking, lean manufacturing, blue ocean strategies. How do we know that agile is just not another buzzword? How do we know that an attempt to, or even an implementation of agile kind of methodologies or ways actually do yield results? Since Debashish has done quite a bit of work around that, maybe do you believe it works? Do you believe it yields results, or is it just another buzzword?
I will keep it very short. I believe this is the way to go, and I also believe this is not something new, by the way. So hear me out on this. I think this has been a survival technique for cavemen as well. I mean, you think about it, a deer when it's chased by a lion, the agility is the only thing that saves the deer. Just quickly being able to turn around while the lion, with all the inertia and force that continues to move on the straight path, and there you go, right? So agility has been there, and I believe it will continue to remain. I think the words might change, the way we are thinking about it might change a little bit about the corporates and all that, but I don't think the fundamental, this is like a survival instinct. I think the panel members have spoken about a few companies. I'll not name them, but a lot of these companies we have seen, if you are not thinking about the futuristic aspects, if you're not inspired to do something more new by yourself and innovative by yourself, and if you're not working in an unbossed manner, you'll never be able to achieve that, right? So I believe it is here to stay. The buzzword might be a bit new and a bit more trending right now in this hashtag world because of the COVID pandemic, and therefore everybody's thinking on these lines. But all the examples that we heard from the organizations, I think everybody was doing this in some way, form or other. So I do believe that is here to stay with this kind of thing.